Hi, I'm Nick Moore. As an addition to our range of DigiCat 2.0 extenders, we now have the PT-871xr and PT-872xr. These units are sold as a kit and allow you to send HDMI 2.0 or, if you like, 4K 60/444 up to 60 meters. They can also send 4K 60/420 or 1080p at up to 70 meters. Let's take a brief look at the two units. So this is the PT-871 extender, and it can provide power to the receiver or be powered by the receiver. As you'd expect, you have a series of indicator lights and the HDMI input on the transmitter, and on the receiver you have indicator lights and an HDMI output. If we turn the units round, you can see the yellow RJ45s for the DigiCat ports, the locking 12-volt power connectors, and the dip switches. The dip switches on both units must be set to match. Dip switch 1 controls the amount of compression. In the up position, it's standard compression, and in the down position, it's high compression for additional range extension. Dip switch 2 must always be left in the off position at the moment, as the down position is reserved for future use. In the up position, you can send 4K 60/444 up to 40 meters with light compression, and in the down position, we can send 4K 60/444 or HDMI 2.0 at up to 60 meters. As these products are DigiCat 2.0, it's important not to mix them with HD-Base-T. We also strongly recommend the use of Kramer Unicat cables, or as a minimum, shielded Cat6A. For more information on the PT-871xr and PT-872xr kit, and for all the other range extenders that Kramer offer, please visit our website. Thank you for watching.